Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plaid Auth Review My Usage Experience. Plaid Auth Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined way for developers to review and manage the authentication process using Plaid services. It's primarily targeted at developers working with financial applications, aiming to simplify the process of verifying user identities and securely accessing financial data. Key features likely include transaction data review, authentication status checks, and potentially, error handling and debugging tools. Their website provides details on their API and documentation. The service focuses on security and compliance, offering a clear process for managing authentication. Ease of use is highlighted as a key benefit, aiming to reduce the complexity of integrating Plaid's authentication features into applications. Pricing is likely detailed on their site, although specifics were not readily available during my research. Availability is dependent on access to the Plaid API. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plaid Auth Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The documentation was well written and clearly explained the various API calls and parameters. I integrated the review tool into my personal finance app prototype within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed the authentication status for each user, along with any relevant error messages. I particularly liked the detailed logs, which made debugging any authentication issues straightforward. The system performed reliably throughout my testing. I didn't experience any significant delays or errors. I had a quick question regarding a specific error code, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful explanation and a solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the detailed logging system. One minor drawback was the lack of a comprehensive visual representation of the authentication flow. A simple flowchart would have been helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Plaid Auth Review My Usage Experience. It streamlined a complex process and significantly reduced the time spent debugging authentication problems in my app. That's my overview of Plaid Auth Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.